How to print email messages in Gmail. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can print email messages in Gmail. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up your Gmail and make sure that you're logged in with your preferred account. So from your inbox, you have to select the email messages that you want to print. For example, I have this message right here that I want to print. So open up the message that you want to print. After that, if you navigate on this messaging piece, at the top right corner here is this print icon. You have to click on it. Then you will see these settings popped up in your interface. First of all, you have to select your destination. So if you are about to print in a printer, there you will have your options. So from the drop down, select your preferred choice. Under that, select the pages that you want to print. Select the layout. If you want to see the more settings, click on it. And here you have to select some of the settings and save the settings. Once you're done, click on save, and with that your message will be printed. And that's the way to print the email messages in Gmail. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.